Day grade 9. So, third example na tayo ng solving equations transformable to quadratic equation. Same goal muna, make sure to express the equation in terms of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this example, medyo naiba kasi rational yung mga rational algebraic expressions yung nandoon sa ating example. So, our example is x over x minus 2 plus 2 over x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 5 over x minus 3. So, ang goal mo ay to make sure to eliminate or change our denominator into 1 para madali na nating masolve yung ating quadratic equation. So, tingin sa middle term, itong x squared minus 5x plus 6 is factorable pa po. So, factor muna natin siya bago tayo mag-solve ng ating equation. So, in this case, we will have x over x minus 2. Copy muna natin yan since ang goal muna natin, ay ma-factor out yung x squared minus 5x plus 6. So, you'll have 2 over, factor natin to. Positive si 6, so ang keyword mo ay positive add like sign. So, number na pag pinag-times ko 6, pag pinag-add ko 5. So, you will have 6 and 1 and 3 and 2. Yun lang naman ang factors ng 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So, hindi pwede. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, pwede ito. So, we will use, this is x, this is 3. Ay, gumalaw. Then, this is x, this is 2. Keywords natin, positive add like sign. Tingin sa middle term. That is negative. So, pare-pareho negative. Copy lang natin ito. We will have 5 over x minus 3. So, gaya nga ng sabi ko, ang goal natin is to eliminate or tanggalin yung ating denominator. So, we'll multiply the whole equation by its greatest common factor, which is x minus 2 and x minus 3, or quantity x minus 2 times quantity x minus 3. So, multiply lang natin to sa bawat terms doon sa ating equation. So, ito, multiply dito. Pakita ko lang dito sa gilid. So, pagka minultiply mo yung x over x minus 2 sa quantity x minus 2 times quantity x minus 3, tandaan mo na ito ay may invisible 1 as its denominator. And makakancel out na natin yung x minus 2. So, matitira na lang po ay x and x minus 3. So, we'll have x times x minus 3. Tandaan, yung 1, since 1 naman na, ay pwede na nating hindi i-add or hindi idagdag dun sa ating equation. Then, punta tayo sa kasunod. Ganun ulit, multiply natin yung quantity x minus 2 times quantity x minus 3 dun sa kasunod nating term. So, dito naman, dito lang tayo ulit sa gilid, we'll have 2 over x minus 3 times x minus 2. Multiply natin to dun sa x minus 2 or quantity x minus 2 times quantity x minus 3 over 1 ulit. May invisible 1 as denominator. So, mapapansin, makakancel out yung x minus 3, makakancel out yung x minus 2, and ang matitira na lang po ay 2. So, copy dito yung 2. Then, proceed tayo dun sa next term. Now, pag sanay ka na, pwede mo nang hindi gawin itong nasa gilid na part. So, for example, you have 5 over x minus 3 times quantity x minus 2 times x minus 3. Obviously, makakancel yung x minus 3. Ang matitira ay 5 times x minus 2. So, ulitin ko, pag sanay ka na, pwede mo nang hindi gawin itong parting to. Kumbaga, mentally mo na siya gagawin. Sorry. Then, distribute na lang po natin ito para makuha natin yung mga quadratic, linear, and constant term. So, we will have x times x and x times negative 3. X times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Copy lang natin itong positive 2. Is now equal to, distribute din natin itong 5. So, we will have 5 times x, that is 5x. And 5 times negative 2, and that is negative 10. So, from there, lipat lang po natin itong positive 5x sa kabila, sa itong negative 10 sa kabilang side ng equation. And we will have x squared minus 3x, lipat mo yung positive 5x, magiging negative 5x. Positive 2, lipat mo yung negative 10, magiging positive 10 is equal to 0. From there, combining like terms na lang po tayo, we will have x squared, negative 3x and negative 5x, that's negative 8x, plus 10 plus 2 is 12 is equal to 0. Once na nasa form na ng ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, bahala ka na kung anong methods ng solving quadratic equation yung gagamitin mo. Angat ko lang po ito. So, since factorable naman yung equation natin, gamit na tayo ng factoring. So, positive si 12. Keywords mo ay positive, add, like sign. Factors ng 12 ay 12 and 1, 6 and 2, 4 and 3. So, mula dito, number na pag pinag-times mo, 12. Pag pinag-add mo ay 8. So, 12 times 1, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So, hindi pwede. 6 times 2, 12. 6 plus 2, 8. So, ito yung factors na gagamitin natin. So, we will have x. Ito ay 6. Then, x. This is 2 equals 0. Tandaan, since this is positive, keywords mo ay positive, add, like sign, tingin sa middle term, that is negative, so pareho itong negative. Apply the zero product property, you will have x sub 1 minus 6 is equal to 0, and x sub 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Lipat mo lang yung negative 6 saka negative 2, you will have x sub 1 is equal to positive 6, and x sub 2 is equal to positive 2. So, our final answer is positive 6 and positive 2.